sklearn linear model LAS. Description. The least angle regression LAS algorithm is a method for fitting linear models that is particularly efficient when the number of features is large. It works by iteratively adding features to the model in a way that minimizes the angle between the residual vector and the current set of features. This makes it a good choice for problems with a high degree of collinearity among the features. LAS is also closely related to the lasso algorithm, and can be used to implement lasso by simply stopping the LAS algorithm at a certain point. Inputs. X. This is the feature matrix. A 2D array with shape n samples. N features. Each row represents a data point, and each column represents a feature. Y. This is the target vector. A 1D array with shape n samples. Each element represents the target value for the corresponding data point in X. Outputs. Core. This is a 1D array of shape n features that contains the estimated coefficients for each feature in the model. Intercept. This is a scalar value representing the estimated intercept of the model. Steps. Initialization. The algorithm starts by initializing the coefficient vector to 0 and the residual vector to y. Feature selection. The algorithm then selects the feature that is most correlated with the current residual vector. Coefficient update. The coefficient for the selected feature is then updated in a way that minimizes the angle between the residual vector and the current set of features. Residual update. The residual vector is updated based on the new coefficient value. Repeat. Steps 2 to 4 are repeated until either all features have been included in the model or a stopping criterion has been met. Metrics. R squared. This metric measures the proportion of variance in the target variable that is explained by the model. Mean squared error MSE. This metric measures the average squared difference between the predicted and actual values. Visualization plots. Coefficient path plot. This plot shows how the estimated coefficients changes the algorithm. Progressors. Residual plot. This plot shows the residuals of the model against the predicted values. Fine-tune parameters. Alpha. This parameter controls the strength of the L1 penalty. A higher value of alpha will result in a sparser model, with more features having coefficients of 0. Fit intercept. This parameter controls whether or not the model should include an intercept term. Normalize. This parameter controls whether or not the data should be normalized before fitting the model. Uncertainty methods. Confidence intervals. Confidence intervals can be used to estimate the uncertainty in the estimated coefficients. Bootstrapping. Bootstrapping can be used to estimate the uncertainty in the estimated model. Parameters. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Collinearity. When features are highly correlated, the LAS algorithm can become unstable and produce unreliable results. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. A dataset with multiple features that are highly correlated, such as height and weight. Fixes to challenge 1. Feature selection. Remove highly correlated features from the dataset. Regularization. Use regularization techniques like lasso or ridge regression to penalize large coefficients and reduce the influence of correlated features. Challenge 2. High dimensionality. When the number of features is very large compared to the number of data points, the LAS algorithm can become computationally expensive. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. A dataset with thousands of features but only a few hundred data points. Fixes to challenge 2. Feature selection. Select a subset of features that are most likely to be relevant to the target variable. Dimensionality reduction. Use dimensionality reduction techniques like principal component analysis PCA to reduce the number of features.